Vsts is down 36.91, roughly 37% in this regular session of today, the 7th of May 2025. We've seen an intraday low of 5.25. Let's see now. The company's and outcomes not quite disappointing. I think it missed by a couple of millions, in terms of revenue, and I think they also may have withdrawn their outlook for the rest of this year. I'm not exactly sure, but the earnings it's wasn't encouraging to market participants. So this is the 1 minute chart. Here we have not that it's going to be of much use, but we'll leave it and move on to the more durable charts. We'll have to go all the way down to the 4 hour chart. It's at least it's the closest to the daily chart. It's also active when the market is when the regular session has closed. So here we have a couple of projections, upper projections still in play, but the extrapolation is not. It's more slightly to the downside. Even lower than its lowest downward projection. Okay, here we have in terms of projections, we have downward projection of upper projection. Okay, downward projections 5.11, downward projection 5.82, upper projection. So in the coming days, by next week Thursday, that is the 15th of May, we are looking at possible um yeah downward project. We're looking at a price of around $4.8. There's no guarantee that that will be the okay 4.93, 4.92 rather. But in the meantime, up till next week, exactly maybe 13th of next week, we might see a consolidation of this plunge. It's going to be it's just going to be pretty much neutral until maybe further decay may play in. But there's no guarantee that that will be the case at all. There's no guarantee at all that that will be the case. I think fundamentally looking at things, maybe the market is looking at this and they're saying if it has missed, maybe then we have to discount. We have to discount some of the some of the value, some of the price it has, some of the gains it has gained. We have to probably discount them. Outside that, there are projections that are not that were in play yesterday. Upper projections they're no more in play now, given what's going on. So we have 7.0, okay, 6 point. Okay, you can say let's say we have 6.98, 8.84, and 9.31. 9.31 was strongly emphasized as of month Thursday, last week Thursday, it began to emphasize this 9.28, and it never materialized. It actually proved to be a resistance. If you don't, okay, no, before I think maybe the reason why it came up was maybe because okay, we could do this, we could add some pivots to give us an idea of where they came up from, where the calculations came up from. Let's see, show pivots where the Fibonacci projections arose from. You can see. Yeah, I was going to say that. Yeah, that's here. It's here. It's probably what it was. It began to extrapolate the projections from this, the Fibonacci projections from here, 9.1, where it got the rejection, and they may have played into this 9.26 projection. Yeah, this is how things are right now. We can have a look at its daily chart. On its daily chart, we can see what's going on. The underlying trend is a bearish one. Here we can see some projections that are no longer in play. Let's see. Yeah, some everything is now really negative, really, really negative. So, but let's see. Our projections that were in play just a couple of sessions ago, we have 9.05, 9.66, 10.08. The stock has not been trading for a very long time, so we don't have any extrapolations here. So we have to rely on the extrapolation on this on the 4 hour chart. So it's more. It's going to be more of a neutral consolidation. Consolidation with on the neutral basis. Yeah, or maybe afterwards we might see a retracement towards 4.9 or thereabout. You know, yeah. Let's see now. We've seen what happened in the 1 minute chart. Let's move these pivots. Let's move them. Yeah, let's see. I didn't. Can I still close it? Okay, the pivots are gone. So that's what's going on. Okay, there's this downward projection that I mentioned. I mentioned it here, 5.1. Yeah. Okay, that's what's going. Let's see now. Still holding the gains, still holding the loss of around 36%. Just see what you make of VSTS, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.